Okay, so if you're having trouble answering question number 2, I'm going to help you out a little bit with this one. The question says the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cubed, and a substance will float if its density is less than water. So the density has to be less than 1 to be able to float in water. So which of the following substances will float? So this is when you have to remember how to calculate our density. So density, if you forgot, density equals mass divided by volume. So you're going to have to go through our table here and divide the mass by the volume and figure out, is it less than 1? Which of these would be less than 1? So we'll start off with number 1. Substance 1 has a mass of 6 and a volume of 3. So you would take 6 and divide that by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And it's actually 2 grams per centimeters cubed. Um, and that's more than 1, right? So now you have to go on to our next one. We need to see, is that going to be less than 1? So you would take your 8 and you would need to divide that by your 4. And that's going to equal 2 again. So you just continue going down our table here, doing the math, to figure out which one of these substances, 1, 2, 3, or 4, when you do the math, mass divided by volume, which one of these is less than water, 1? Which one of these is less than 1?